It seems the price of everything continues to soar, especially at the grocery store. Now, while the effects may be clear on your wallet, it can also have a negative impact on your health. WBKO's Sarah Phipps spoke with officials on why they're seeing these rising costs on our food, the health risks, and what can be done to mitigate them.
A recent study published by the National Library of Medicine reported the prices of healthy foods like fruits, vegetables, and meat alternatives increased nearly 13% from 2019 to 2022. In contrast, the same study reported during the same time period, unhealthy food prices only increased 9%.
So overall, all prices should rise when we have inflation. So that does include food as well. And so if we look back over the past few years, roughly prices have gone up about 20%. Food has tracked that slightly higher, I think around 21-22% increase. So the general trend we see in the economy, we're also seeing in food prices as well.
This can cause a plethora of health risks for lower-income families, whom Health and Wellness Director with MedCenter Health, Sarah Widener, says see more weight-related health issues.
Some of the weight-related health issues that we see here are going to be just obesity in general. People, have weight issues and they want to lose weight to prevent issues, so we do a lot of that. But then some of the other things that we see are high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and diabetes.
Stephen King, an associate professor of agricultural economics with Western Kentucky University, said grocery stores may pose a cheaper option, but may not have the same quality as local markets.
They deal in very high volumes, and so their per unit cost of production tend to be lower, and that may generally translate into lower cost for consumers. Okay? A farmer's market, each farmer is dealing in a much smaller volume.
Though Widener says this isn't always an option for lower-income families who may not always have access to reliable or speedy transportation. For her patients, Widener recommends finding places to cut sodium and fats or add in protein and nutrients.
So we'll look for things that maybe they're eating ramen noodles, but they could have half the package, add some eggs to it for protein, and have a banana with it. So, is it all the beautiful fruits and vegetables that we see pictures of? Maybe not, but we will meet them where they are and what they have available to find those healthier options and bridge that gap for them.
King said he does expect inflation rates to drop, quote, somewhere into the future, but he's unsure exactly when. Reporting in Bowling Green, Sarah Phipps, WBKO News.
And for those facing food insecurities, we'll have a list of food banks on our website, WBKO.com.